Hello students, welcome in Learning Space. Myself Ravikant Dapke, working as Science and Mathematics teacher for SSC board student from last 20 years. In this session we will prepare Maharashtra State Board Science Part 2nd, Chapter 5th towards Green Energy. Here we will discuss some basic terms related with this chapter. Now we will move towards the study material of green energy chapter. I have made a list here for convenience and to save time. In this chapter we need these terms again and again, but students confuse about basic words, so I will explain here these basic terms so that any student can understand the chapter towards green energy. In general, we say power is electricity, or power and electricity is nothing but energy, but there are some minute differences. We will see what are these micro differences. Let us define or revise what we learned from the last some standards. First term is energy. What is it? Capacity to do the work. W for work. Capacity to do the work is called as energy. Which are the energy? Sound energy, light energy, wind energy, solar energy, mechanical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. There are number of types of energy. We cannot do any type of work without use of energy. Now we will define what is power. There is a little bit difference between energy and power. How power is defined? The rate of doing work is nothing but power. Again I repeat, the rate of doing work is a power, and capacity to do the work is energy. We will move towards next basic concept, which is kinetic energy. We will write it as Ke for kinetic energy, and formula for it is half into mv square. What does m indicate? M is nothing but mass of that body. V is velocity of that running item. It is the formula for kinetic energy. Flowing or running condition gives kinetic energy, and potential energy formula is like this: m into g into h. Always keep in mind that when there is no sign between these letters, it is a multiplication. What does these terms indicate? M is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h height at what object is situated. We will take an example so you will become familiar with potential energy and kinetic energy. If water is stored in any dam, it is nothing but potential energy, and if the water is run through the channels, it is kinetic energy. Whenever a stone is placed in school ground, it is potential energy, and if you put this thrown into air, moving thrown has kinetic energy. Now we will discuss machine. We always use the word machine in nowadays, but what is the definition of it? Simple machine example is given, lever. And what is machine? Machine is nothing but in less energy it avoids, it reduces our more efforts, means uses less energy and do more work is nothing but machine. Similarly, we will define now what is engine. Example of engine is turbine. What is turbine? Wind energy converted into electrical energy. That machine is known as engine. It means turbine is example of engine. We have discussed this with kinetic energy. And lastly, we will define what is efficiency of an engine. How efficiency of engine is calculated is nothing but work done by that engine divided by energy used by the engine. Always keep in mind that efficiency of any engine is always less than 1, and this 1 megawatt energy is nothing but 1000 kilowatt energy. Since in your textbook this conversion formula is not given, I have written it in box. And our next study topics are wind energy and solar energy, that will be discussed in next video, but the link is given in description box of the same video, that in which we have considered these basic concepts.